Hmm. I'm currently trying to set up my chat so that I can look at my chat from my phone. Also, I'm planning to stream on another platform as well. So I'm trying to enable the stream on this other platform. Okay, so let me see. Where have we stopped last time? Cities. Let me enable the editors for both the editor and the WASM-compiled assembly module. And okay, and code WASM-compiled. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let me stop. Let me stop this so that it doesn't consume memory. Like, it consumes 300 megabytes of memory, and I don't want this to be the case. Additionally, it consumes some CPU, which is not great at all. So, now I believe it should work both on the front end and on the back end. So let me check the editor. So now let me navigate to the searchless editor, advanced editor, and run npm run dev, because we already have WebAssembly compiled, so now it's the matter of running it. Huh? What? npm run dev? Huh? What do you mean npm run all? Let me check package.json. Npm run all. Maybe I just, because I switched to another branch, it must have deleted all of what I've built. So let me do this quickly. And also navigate to libs in another window, and cd, navigate to libs. There's quite a lot going on right now. Okay. So let me see. WebAssembly gets built. It is not too big of a deal. The last time when I worked on it, I had issues where I wanted to get both the original function and something else. Let me see. What have I gotten here? So in this case, what I did, I set the stdout object to stdout, and return error if there was an error, and that's it. I think that I can actually make it. I can make a function for each of the parameterizations of not buffering but output, I believe. Write-if unwrapper. What was it? Write-if unwrapper? I don't remember. Let me me see, what was that? This function has to be, what are the functions are they responsible for? Somewhere there was like mapboth here, original function, and this is output. So let me do this. Mod and the name of this module. Mod and the name of this module and output, and I want here. But what I want to do is just implement a function which is implement for f of for output of f, where f is this, has this constraint. I want to implement fn as pub fn tested out, return set as though try return a rig fn. This is not the nicest thing that is out there, but I believe it's fine. I believe I need to destructure it, so it has to be consumed. So it has to have to pass self without, not by reference, but the own value. Mod. Okay, not by reference, but the own value, self. And here, what I need to do is I need to also provide I think it has to be not associated with the output function, because this type is not particularly interesting. So output, well, let's make it like this, because I realize that there is a problem, f, and it must be an output of f, so we want to have a free function rather than an associated function, an inherent associated function, because where this we want to have a free function because it makes sense to make it a free function. I do not particularly like the type here. I will probably change the name of the type, and for the time being, that's what I want to do. So it has to be an output, and this output has to be consumed, and it is like output. Let me see, where is it? Here. So that's how it works, and my next argument must be, I believe VM, or was it not VM? Let me see, for both. Map both. There's the studio out and VM. So the studio out comes from there. I need VM. And VM I need by reference, I believe. Let me see. VM. Not here. And here I need VM, which must be a reference to Rust Python virtual machine. Actually, I think I want it to be like this. So virtual machine first, and then, so that's what it does. And let me return, what is the original function here? I believe, okay, it must have been Alright, it must be a result of option of Rust Python PyR. Let me see what got produced. I think it looks what I want to do. Let me see. Let me see. STD out, STD out. Yes, it makes sense. Huh. Why does it return error? I believe, yeah, it is a, oh, it returns a pi error, which makes a lot of sense, because it is indeed a Rust Python virtual machine error, so it should return Python error, and then we should convert that Python error to the actual thing. Let me see. Why does it return okay? Alright, because it returns okay because it returns a unit which is expected. I don't think I need to. I believe setter doesn't return anything. Virtual machine sysmodule set others. It's still loading for now, which is annoying, but it is better than nothing. So after that, what is that? I have no idea, but anyway. So it makes this diode object with opts. The way it is written is not particularly maintainable, not particularly performant, but well, it is easier to maintain than in either of these options, and it creates something that is like reasonable, I believe. Maybe I should do if-let-there approach, whereas like VMSys model set utter or virtual machine Rust. Where is this Rust Python virtual machine? Rust Python virtual machine. Rust Python VM virtual machine. I believe that's the name of the type. Let me see what it can do. We need this Rust Python virtual machine. Huh. I don't care which version it is. It just has to be the latest version. And I need to go to virtual machine, please. And I need sys module, and I need sys module set utter. Well, maybe it's on PyReference. Set utter, which is indeed on PyReference, and it must be some file here. Okay, and what we do here, so we set some value, and what's the return type of this? Set utter, and it is a result of nothing, so it makes a lot of sense that we do this. Actually, never mind. I think I want to have a method that does something differently. I think I want to flatten. it's not exactly flatten. What should it, like, how can I call, like, turning an enum into a collection of data that is unify maybe? Um, let me do. Let me call it unify. Yes, I'll call, and it makes total sense to call on output, impl output f, where f fn str static f of fn unify. Right. Oh, right. Because it's I have not provided as a generic argument, so now I can unify data. And now I will unify data first, and after that do whatever is needed. It just makes total sense to do it this way. Let original dot unify, and after that, what we need to do is to if let error error equals std.vm, then we return an error, and then what we also have to do, we also have to return an OK of original function. And it's just like this ugly stuff. It's an OK of original function. Okay, what does it return? Pyref of what? Of Rust Python VM, Rust Python VM of py base. Wait, why did oh, exceptions, exceptions. Okay, I don't even know what it. Is this type even? Okay, let me see. Set other potter. What does it return? Py object something. What's py result here? Is py result an actual type here? Let me see. Py result. Awesome. So it's a py result. Hi Emma, how's it going? It doesn't let me stream for some reason. I will try to restart the stream. Not on reality, but on not on YouTube, but on reality, because for some reason doesn't want to stream. Okay, error. Why does it? Wait, it is double error. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, actually, never mind. It was just why is it? Why we did it right like this? It it made sense there because it made sense there because it was I was dealing with I had to use the error as a value rather than propagating it. So here I can actually propagate the value and it is fine. Let me see. I'm gonna convert from result of this implicitly. Okay, let me see. It was per result of this. Then why the hell? Let me see. I'll set other this. The trait is deconvert from pybus error for result. for result of higher F5 base exception. What? What? Okay, I have no idea why it's the case, but I'll try to let error equals e, let e equal error of e equals that, and let me do this, which is return error e. It is weird that it works this way. It should not be like this, but here we are nonetheless. What? Pattern, okay. Oh, E flat. E flat, yes. And there is, like, okay is just an option. Okay is just an option. That we didn't error. What the hell? Should I wrap it? Oh, I see. What? Wait, what? Go to I want to go to definition, and I just, okay, let me see. Okay, by result of error. Well, let me try it this way. Oh, it's try. Oh, yeah, I would be able to do this with try trade, but try trade is not really there. So I need to do is find pi result here, pi result, pi result, result, and this thing is by exception ref. Okay, so that's where it is. That's what I need. It is. Now I realize what was wrong here. I accidentally used the wrong type here. Because I got confused. So it is what I need here, and then I can just use the question mark operator. It was silly of me to start doing something else here, but anyway, it worked. It worked as intended. So now what I need to do is to use this function over here, which makes a lot of sense. Yeah, for now I'll forget about it. So what I'll do here is I'll do that. So I'll do from VM an output, and that's what I'll do here. So that's what I'll do. Okay, let original fn equals that, and now I will I think that's what I need to do, and I need to return just original fn, original null fn. I think it should work. Alright, of course it doesn't. It is not possible to print this error. Okay, it looks better now, and now it should be fine. So I know that it is a bad naming. Maybe I should just copy paste this thing. Well, I use it in 2 places. Is it justified? Maybe I should just use the code which is unifying. Unify, and how bad does it look like? Probably not too bad. Yeah, I think never mind. I want to convert. I want to convert from one error type to another error type. That's why I actually need to account for that. So I have to make sure that it actually works. And hello Miumi, and Miu Miu, and hello Oji. I'm sorry, I'm just solving some difficult problem. Okay, so now this part should work. and I should be able to use all this, so I should be able to build and use this WebAssembly module. So let me try do that. Let me see. All right, lips and deer and cd searchless WASM-compiled, right? And WASM-compiled build target web. So what we are doing right now, we are trying to build the, all right, of course, I don't want to set Rust log error. Oh, never mind, that's not what I want. I want to build now. The reason why I set Rust log to error is that by I have login enabled, and by setting it to higher level, I can skip lots of noise, which is in this case just pointless. I don't really care if there is some problem during the build process, because what I care about in the build process is that whether it compiles, and if it compiles, it most likely will work as intended, because there are lots of crates that might do logging of building just because their building process is complicated. But if it works, I don't care if it's complicated. I don't need to debug it. I have I have my settings for logging set to very low noise threshold, so literally anything done actually adds more logs. So after we build our WebAssembly model, and it will take a while, because it's the first build, we are going to switch to the editor and start running it. I'll try to actually I'll try run it now npm run dev, because we should be able to do so. And let us see whether I'll actually be able to do so. Probably not. There's a chance that I won't be able to, because there is a missing file that the build depends on. Okay. So now, let's see. Oh, it actually works. So now it just does bundling so that it is available at this thing, and I'll be able to look at the HTML page and see what's available there. So it just tries to create an editor using this WebAssembly module. Not WebAssembly module, but this TS module. But the TS module does not actually do anything interesting just yet. So let me see what we need to do. If I remember correctly, so last time we just set default settings. So we have these default settings which are fine for some cases, but not for ours, because what we really want to do is to have a way to add to run code, and for that we'll need to override control space. I believe that's what should happen. Let me see if it actually works. Missing global variable name, probably fine. Localhost 3000, localhost 3000. Let me see. It can actually error here because there might be an unknown name. Let me see. Let me see if it works. Probably. It seems to have error. Yes, no. Yes, it did not error. It is just my laptop is very slow because it does a lot of stuff simultaneously. It simultaneously hosts this server. It simultaneously builds a huge artifact. It also runs Telegram and OBS and Discord and other stuff. There is quite a lot going on my laptop. So it makes total sense that it's glitchy. and it doesn't work yet. Let me check the console. Control Shift I. WASM-Pi is not a function naturally because it is not a function yet. It is not a function because it hasn't been initialized yet. It hasn't been built yet, therefore I cannot make it work just yet. Let me start replacing parts of the editor as as they are becoming available. Editor, syntax highlighting, no auto completion. So let me check source definition. It takes quite some time, huh? You can notice that my laptop is literally dying, unable to process all that. I wonder if Stream is capable to capture everything that's going on right now without huge problems, because there is a lot going on. I should invest more into upgrading my laptop, otherwise I won't be able to work. Commit characters, what's that? It's an extension, commit characters. Go to definition with theme. Let me see. Let me see. Let me check. Autocomplete. Autocomplete. Where is autocomplete again? Autocompletion. Source definition. I think it's F12, right? I forgot. I think it's F12. Oh, it's not assigned. What a shame. Commit characters, commit state. First of all, I'll keep it so that I can actually do completion plugin. Complete key map extension. I believe that's the thing that I need to fix. Compute n completion config. Completion config, go to definition. Oh, never mind. I actually should be able to run this thing. Before I actually do this, let me do something that does not depend on the WebAssembly model, because I want to be able to because I know that if WASM-Pi if not WASM-Pi, if it is nullish, then that's okay. If not WASM-Pi, then what we do is for else what we do is we run this so that it actually works. Console log model failed to run WASM expression expected. Yes, it's an expression. Huh. Do you mean it is not an expression? Do you mean it is not an expression? Did I confuse something? I could have, because I haven't coded in JavaScript for a while, but huh. Big problem. Let me check whether maybe I don't understand something. Maybe I don't understand something. I'll ask ChatGPT. I'll ask it if it's valid expression. Is Delta load wasn't high. It works fine. It is just like my IDE going crazy. Okay, search key completion key map. Let's go to source definition. Let me go to source definition of completion key map, because most likely I'll need to redefine it. Yes, I need to redefine it. So instead of that, I need to do what? I need to do this. Custom completion key map. Const custom completion key map equals this and this, and what it does, it's, I think I need to go to autocomplete. Where is autocomplete? Yeah, let me add more. Start completion, I believe. Let me check if it is from here. But instead of control space, I want to be on tab, because tab makes a lot of sense as a start complete and close completion. And okay, let me see if I can do this. So let me, oh, okay, accept completion, control C, and okay, let me see if it works as intended. Okay. Okay, this one for some reason does not have a comma. I believe that's called comma. Enter accept completion. It feels wrong. No. Start completion. I don't care if it is start. Or let me make it like this. What should be good? Accept completion. Enter. I don't want accept completion on enter because it's just terrible. Start completion. Maybe alt plus enter. I believe that's start completion in VS Code, and custom completion key map, which is that. And let me also do custom const custom key hooks, or how is it called? Custom key map. Let me see. How do I do this? Const. Let me go to the source definition. Never mind, that's not how it goes. Start completion. Start completion. Completion. Where does it come from? Okay, I have to check where it is defined, because I want to remember the interface type. Go to type definition. It is a view. Okay, I forgot how it's called. Let's see how it's called. Extensions key map of key binding. So it must be a key binding. Okay. So const or run and hello world. Why? Well, keep binding, and that's what it is. Keep binding. I don't need it. I don't need this thing. And let me see. Key map. Go to definition. Of course, that's not what I want. Go to source definition. Faucet enables define handle key map. Okay. I have no idea where it is. Key binding. Codemirror Codemirror key binding. Key map, key binding. Okay. Const editor view extension schema of default keyboard. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, and run command. Custom command. Custom command mirror. Code mirror. I don't know yet how. I don't remember how I did commands. Unfortunately, I don't remember how I did code commands. Code mirror 5 user manual. Okay, and let me see. And run must be a command, and command is here. Let me see. Command, awesome. Const and hello. Okay. Key binding and hello kb. Const print hello. CMD common view, and let me see. Okay. Console hello, return true. Okay, and print hello. Control enter. Yes, please. And for now, that's literally the only thing that I need. It isn't perfect, but it's fine. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. Oh no, it actually builds it. Okay. Control space for some reason does not really. Oh yeah, because I did not assign it. Control space key map of this and custom key map. Custom key map. Awesome. And custom key map is. All right. I forgot. I need to add print hello key binding, and that's how it works. Yes, I'm streaming it, and hello Marshmallow. I haven't seen you for a while. Bro, nothing works for me since it's YouTube. Wait, huh? Huh? No, how? Hello, hello. So the way it works is that you need to switch to booth and then back to your room. I mean, you need to switch to your room and then to your booth. And after that, it will work. Life is laughing. Very true. 100%. Yes, reality developers surprised me again when I learned that I could not use actually YouTube. Like I thought that it's the case. I just seriously considered leaving immediately because damn, I really want to have YouTube on reality. That's the thing. I see. I'm gonna try that if I will start streaming too. Yes, please. Wait, you cannot use it normally too. Well, I have to switch. Yes, I also have this glitch. I have to switch to my room, and then to my booth, and only then I can use YouTube because reality devs are freaking dumb and cannot do their job right. Yes, unfortunately, that's the case. They are dumb, and I'm not sure much can be done about it. So let me see. Yeah, let me see. Hey, I want my Why doesn't not work? I want this to work. Key. Is it control space? Is it control space? It is control enter. I am pressing control enter. Let me try again. Over some lineage stun sheet. Okay. Doesn't matter too much. Doesn't matter too much. I just huh? What? Like it's blocked and la la. I thought that it's not working because I'm in Russia. Like it's blocked and la la. No, 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 no. It's not Russia's fault. It's real. It's real devs being dumb as usual. Okay, what can I do about it? I'm not sure I can do much about it. Control enter, control enter. Alt. Can I do something with alt enter? Let me see. Cannot even do this. Oh, maybe I should increase the level, the priority. Prots, upprets from state. Do I have state? State. And I need press because I need precedence. Press, please. And I need. Let me see. Let me see. Press has schema of. Oh, right. Let me see. Let me see. Let me do press dot highest of schema of, and this must be my thing. Where is it? Where is it? It is. I lost it. Huh, where is it? Custom schema. Here it is. Custom schema. No, I don't really care about it. And I need to just add it, comma, and it'll work. And right, I don't no longer need an array because because what I needed is an actual value here. Wait, you're streaming for Pepball on your YouTube? You streaming for Pepball on your YouTube? I don't understand what you mean. Wait, you're streaming for Pepball on your YouTube? What does it mean? people on your YouTube? I guess so. For all the people that are out there, which is none. So yes, technically yes. In how's it called? In a vacuum, yes. For all 0 people. I decided to stream it just because I realized that I need to improve the way I speak and the way I speak while coding. Because I realized that if I code, I start mumbling terribly. And in order to fix that, I decided, alright, I see that I have big problems with that. I have to just do something about it. Alright, I totally forgot I have to rerun npm run dev because it is missing now. npm run dev, npm run dev, npm run dev. No, it's not schizophrenia. Just who you spoke to. It is not schizophrenia because schizophrenia is different. Don't ask me how I know, but yeah, the schizophrenia is different, and I'll try to run this and control. Yes, it works. So now I can instead of calling this function, which is like this, I can add a function. So instead of calling console log, I can call a function from WASM-compiled, which is called how is it called? I don't remember. Let me see. Let me reopen the code because right, yeah, code, because for some reason I guess it glitched, and maybe now it should be able to work fine, because now it's fine. Let me check package.json. Does it reference package.json? Yes, it does. So it should work fine now. Now I see nothing. Screw reality. Oh, now it works again. Congrats, Mello. Reality is just being what it is usually. Not particularly reliable and the best piece of software out there. You know, yes, if you will. We can call it this way definitely. At least between us. Okay, so now I have this type definitions, and let me see what's in there. Init sync py execute single. What 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 is py execute single? I guess that's what I exported. Let me see. I literally forgot what I exported. Let me see. Make a set out. No, it is called run code. Why is it run? Why is it like this? Run code. Oh, here it is. Run code. You can. Nobody's gonna know. Single. That's outside. Huh? I'm talking about module. I'm talking about module. Py execute single. Py exec single. Because I imported a Rust Python interpreter. It's not me single. Yeah, it's not me single. You can feel bad for Rust Python executor of single functions, but there are way too many single functions to pity for them all. They all do amazing job. They are all happy. They're all working together. So do not pity single functions. They are probably the best out there. So now, if I remember correctly, I can do just wasm-compiled then and just call the function the way I want to. But I don't know if that's what I want to do. Sure, I'll feel pity for them all. I see. Anyway, how are things going for you, Mallow? It's been a while. Do you have anything cool going on there? So hello, I must be running. What? Not much. Okay. Anything more specific, maybe? I know I asked too much for specificity, but still. Bottom Music University broke up. Now trying to move on. Care about my music now. And you say not much. You have a freaking life story unfolding before you. Like you got into university, broke up, trying to move on, and oh, now you care about your looks now, and you're trying to change yourself. Like, use and it's like not much. I just started my new business, earned $1 billion, and became the richest person on earth, and became a celebrity, and nothing much, just little things. Oh, also looking for a job. I see. I forgot. What do you do again? And I feel bad for you, Mallow. Uh, Finding a job right now is complicated. Quite a lot of stress for everyone, both the employers and the employers and the candidates. Teach English grammars. Yeah, I can see you would be an amazing teach kids English grammar. I bet. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're an amazing teacher. Just so sometimes it's not clear whether you are just playing around, fooling around, or actually are not particularly good in English. No, I don't. You are doing fine. It's just like the matter of how well you actually speak. It's just like sometimes we just play around. You could say I ain't going to do something, and it's like it's clearly non-grammatical, but people say this, and even if they know how to say correctly, so yeah, just I don't always cannot always know whether it's the right thing, if it's genuine or if joke or something. Oh no, how do I synchronize this? You think it's is it fine to do it like this? Just wasn't fine then. Can I just block on the future? Do I want to block on the future? Is it okay to block on the future? Um, can the comment be asynchronous? This pattern return true. Can a function be asynchronous? Let me see. Well, the way I use those grammars are just an automatically it's just an automatic thing for me. Stupid typos. Yes, it's typos who are stupid, not you. Uh, you're smart. Okay, let me see. Okay, asynchronous comments. Let me see. Asynchronous comments. Asynchronous comments. Oh, can I check if the future is ready? JavaScript check if future is ready, like this, or actually WASM. Rust check if model is ready. Yeah, I hope that your life is changing for good. And I really hope that you will actually find someone who you love and someone with whom you'll be happy, both of you, so that you live an amazing fairy tale like life. Let me see. It's not WASM time. There's WebAssembly book. Is it the book that we are looking for? Shit. That's not what I want. I don't want to print it. I want to use in WebAssembly module. What about your life though? What are you up to doing out there nowadays? Also, thank you. Appreciate your wishes. About me, I do quite a lot. So yesterday I woke up, talked to SEO of one company that considers using the product of Searchless. Then I streamed programming. Then I worked. Then before that, I also attended the meeting with uh, uh, the team of my friends who want to take up a contract with a freight company, freight like delivering heavy loads over ships and trucks, and also then I did some work as I said. Then I did what? Oh, I met a handyman at my house who evaluated the cost of fixing something for me. The door. I want to install the door at one place, and then I streamed more until it was late, and after that it's like all over again, but with fewer meetings. I'm probably going to work 2 jobs soon. So it is. I'm going to work 60 hours each week. So 60, 30 at Searchless and 30 with my friends. But like with my closest friends, I can say that at Searchless I've developed really good relationships. I can say that like my friend, I can call my direct report Ali a friend as well. Like he's a CTO. Yes. Also, still working at Searchless. We have good progress. We recently released our lever integration, which means that we will soon have an influx of people using our product. So then I'm fully recovered, which is great. I also volunteered to be an editor for a book about WebAssembly. So I'm going to review the book, make comments on how to make it better, on improving the code, the clarity of examples, all that. Just because like I specialize in cross-language interoperability, including WebAssembly. Sounds nice, but I still hope you won't end up turning into a working zombie. Too late, too late. I already am. Let me see. Okay. Oh, web wasn't bingen. Bingen. Let me see. Synchronization. Import functions from JS. No. WebAssembly and WebAssembly. No, that's not what I want. All humans need rest. I'm a demon. I'm a demon. I don't need rest. Sleep is for the weak, as they say. What can I do here to make sure that it works fine? Can a module can I load the module asynchronously? What can I do about it? And hello Ichi, thank you for liking the stream. You know there's a special term in Japan for people who literally die from overworking. I don't, but I guess it's the case. There could be such a thing. How's it going, Ichi? But yeah, I'm not going to die from overworking. It is overworking who is going to die from me. Doing suck what? Yes, there is, and hope you'll feel a bit scared of that thing. Succubus thingies? What? Sacrificial rituals? Oh, I felt bad for you. I really felt bad for you, girl. What happened to there? Oh, and I just realized that I do not have my chat enabled, so I can easily miss messages. Oh, my stream went it disappeared for a second because because I was trying to enable the how's it called to enable the chat, the split view on my phone, so that the app on top is the browser with the chat, and the app on the bottom is reality, so that I have two apps open simultaneously, and so that I can see the chat both from the restream.io and from reality. That's where the stream went. I just went to enable the chat to make it appear on top of reality chat. What can be done about it? What can I do about it? I feel like asynchronous module loading. Synchronous modules. Let me see. By broaching the subject, run head import scripts. What is required to use any browser? Sounds like old news. Ichi, are you still there? let me see. Okay, right, that's not what I care about. I care about the actual retrieve anywhere, since that's what it'll let me do. You'll soon be able to find it in the npm registry, but it is sometime later. Let me see, require, and what I need to do is, damn, I have no idea. Maybe I should make it an asynchronous function, sync function, so that I have in my WASM module const WASM pi, which is await this, right? And then I should be able to use this from my so then I should be able to construct the command for running, because I cannot construct the command for running until it is actually ready. Go shower now. Start. So I'm going to shower now. Bye bye. Bye Marshmallow, and thank you for coming. And it was nice to see you after all that time. You too, take care. So what about you, Ichi? Why are you not doing good? Okay, WASM pi, and then so that's not how it loads. We need WASM pi, and then run code, and that's what it does. It should run. Oh, view contents. Let's see. Const view contents. State doc to string, and then WASM pi. Let okay const. Actually, never mind. Const result run code. View content and options is an which must be an option. Trying to sleep, something happened, but I'll forget it. Hey, you can tell what happened, and it's funny how you chose my strip to fall asleep. Yeah, I guess I'm so boring that I can put to sleep anyone. Well, it's something. At least it's helpful for people. But of course, please, I would rather know what happened rather than be unaware of what bothers you. I feel bad when people feel sad. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'll do it this way. Result. I'm not sure I can return result, but for now I'll just do result and ignore it. Console log result. I believe that's reasonable. Oh, okay. And it's okay. English only, her, how old are you? Site can be reached. Huh, let me see. Alright, because I killed the process, npm run dev. npm run dev, let me see. I'm 25. It is in my bio. And I'm asking because, like, it can be useful to know what the age of the person is, because then you can ask them about, like, what's your major and other things that are kind of related to age. Oh, you're 18. So are you still in high school? Do you study in a uni? Um, print, print, hi. Let us see. It could actually crash now because I don't know. I did quite a lot of stuff here. Hi, and it works. Awesome. Hello, Sundrop. How's it going? Your favorite daycare attendant. How's it going, Sundrop? I see you are new to the app. Okay, let me see. Um, where does it come from? Where does it come from? Run code wasn't pi. I think that's what I'll do for now. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Actually, I don't need it anymore, so I can remove it. And this one, this should be fine. Const wasm pi and wasm pi.run code. Why do I do this again? Wasm pi.run code. Is that how it's supposed to work? Let's see. Ichi, are you still there? I'm sorry if you feel a bit bad. Okay, options, options, options. Let me see what I can do about it. So now I run code without options. Now I will try to add options such as actually I don't need options right now. I want to fix this thing which might error, but can I actually propagate the error? Maybe, maybe not. Make a std object. And if it's not the case, then I need to be able to run it. Let me see what I can do about it. Output makes the object with opts. I created output, and then with this output I try to set us to the output, and let's try to do this and run an original function, and maybe original. So I'll try to do that. All right, and that's what it's going to do. So the object output, or is it not? Is it going to be an option or not? So with the original function, I might be able to do something here, which is by the end of the scope. Huh, what? It's different to JS value. Is it a JS value or not a JS value? Let's see what kind of value is it. It's a mutable error. So I need to convert this to a JS value. Should it be a JS value? Let me see. Never mind. Make std object with opts, and let me see. Does it? Should it also return JavaScript file? Yes, it should. So I will go here and update it to return a JavaScript file. JavaScript value. So let me do that. So that's what it does. And here it must do a much right fan. That's what it must do, is write a fan. Actually, never mind. Okay, it is a result of something. Mute. Okay, borrow mute error. Is that? I believe that's how it works. And then, if okay, much. Actually, never mind. How am I going to do that? Okay, let me do write a fun. Let me do this. I'll do it like this. So it is going to be a separate scope, and in this separate scope, I'm going to assign this to the result. So let result. Oh, never mind. Let res equals to this, and it is going to be a write right fn, and this much res, or actually yeah, I need to yeah, I'll do a match statement here so that I can actually do what I need. There is a missing parenthesis, which is fine. I can fix that. Okay, so now we have a write fn which does this. It makes the error explicit. Actually, I'll go to core cell boromute error, core cell boromute error. I'll write the error type explicitly because I would like to know what it is. Like, I won't always recall what boromute error is. Unfortunately, I'm not at a point where I can do that. And neither most people, I believe. So then we have write fn, which is a wrapper, and then we match this wrapper against multiple choices, against multiple cases. So then we can do, then what I can do is I can do simple error propagation via question mark operator, and here I can do the same thing. And then it's an original function. And then okay, and then thus what it's going to do is we are going to run this. I wanted to just have something different here, but I guess I am unable to. What can I do about it? What can I do about it? Probably not much. Ha ha ha. That's unfortunate. But yeah. So I have this original function. Okay, let me see what I can do about it. What can I do about it? Right, it is quite crazy what's going on here. I'm not sure whether that's what I want to do, but fine. There's code duplication here, and maybe, just maybe, I should just give up here and try to, well, not exactly give up. So, what I need here is just to return some options. Let me try to roll back a little bit and see what can be done about it. Let me just again just focus on options, and instead of that I'll just try to return an option. let me do let options equals much options, and here it is either some options or none, and then what we do is return this. It will make lots of sense here because oh right, never mind. These options are an object, and these options are actual object that we gained. So what we need to do here is actually slightly different. So we need to get options here, and write a fun is this. Fine. All right, I cannot actually do this because I need here I need a function that can be implemented. So here I actually need a function that implements both, but I cannot. So makes it out objects. So here I actually have a function that does this, but actually I need something else. Ops. Okay, let me see. Trait makes it out object ops. Arg or param, generic constant parameter, and it is, and that's what it must do. It should be possible to pass an fn, which must be like right. Oh right, and it's like right, and it's the right function, and it must be an accept and a str. Oh, and it must be static. Can I do this? Can I say that it must be static? Probably, maybe, I don't know. So it must be able to accept a string and return a and do nothing. Yes, and do nothing. And it this trait right, this import, all right, import right. For what should we implement right? We should implement it for f where f is an fnfstr, f where f for f where f is an fnstr, f is an fnstr. So that's what we do. Right, and all right, it must be self. Right, it must be self. And then what we need to do is we need to call self like this. I'm not sure. Maybe like this. All right, it is wrong. It must be self. And it must be all right, and it must be s. So that's what we do here, because that's what we do here, and then we need to do hi Anne, how's it going? And you, and thank you for liking the stream. I am trying to write some crazy code over here, trying to write code that executes WebAssembly. There is a run-in text that should explain what I do. Wait. What happened to my YouTube video? Dmitry Demenev. Dmitry Demenev. I apologize. I was streaming here. I have a stream on YouTube, which is seen by no one, but still, there it is. Hey, why? I think my YouTube broke here. I cannot actually display my video, my stream. But I streamed just a while ago. Oh, you know? And yes, it is weird. It is weird depending on how I sound. Like, when I code, I mumble. because I use my voice in order to focus on, because I just talk, try to talk, and force myself to talk while coding, and it is not the same thing when you actually talk. You can notice. I swear, I do not talk like when I actually talk. I swear, it is just while coding. Well, 95% of my brain goes into it. Oh, really? I am surprised. I when I hear myself talking during stream, I just like I have such cringe emote. There is a new cringe emote, crunch, crunch. Yes, and it's so annoying. I hate it so much when I mumble. But that's why I stream now. I try to improve the way I talk so that people can actually hear me talking and while I code and not just which is which is quite disappointing for me. I feel terribly bad just when I do this. Oh, but it's still better to push through the difficulties and and fix it rather than just like shut up and never stream or talk to people. Like it would be just dumb of me. We, who we, who we. Okay, let me come back and try to write code for this. Impl write, impl. Can I even write this? I'm not sure because it is not my type. Actually, it is my trait. Okay, impl. Um, F1 and F2. Either of F1 and F2. For. Never mind. Right, for either F1 and F2. Right, for. So, do you have any cool news? Please share. I want to know. FNR right, south and right. Okay, much loved. Makes total sense. Right. May not live long enough. Yeah, fine. Okay, where? Let's see. Fun. Yes, fine. Let me see that. Okay, and it should work. Yes, it works. So now it must be instead of this, I want to use right. Right. So now it returns a right function, which should work fine. I feel cringe when I hear my voice. So we, me and you. So we equals me and you. Ah, I see. But yeah. Honestly, I haven't heard your voice for a while. You stopped streaming, right? Let me see. Okay, wrap fn, or what is it? I. So did you stop streaming? I stopped hearing you or seeing you. Well, I don't have time to stream right now, but I will start streaming soon. I hope so. By the way, I'll probably need to go soon because I have to start working in 20 minutes. And if I don't start preparing now, I will probably be late. I don't want to waste my company's time. Thank you. It was a pleasure to see you. I was really happy to see you now. Bye, Anne. Talk to you later.